everyone, welcome back. I'm Nuala Black and of course this is Foxy at 50. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today I've got another really great juicing recipe for you, and it's called Clear Radiance, because today it's all about the skin, how to get the best possible skin whatever your age. Now, as we get older, of course, our skin really suffers, but I think way too much attention is placed on fancy creams, expensive creams, and Botox. Now, these creams and Botox, I mean, they're great. I use them myself, definitely, but they're only the icing on the cake. People are always asking me about my skin, but they want to know about the latest face cream. But what I truly and firmly believe is that if you don't look after your skin on the inside, it simply won't reflect on the outside. No amount of creams and Botox are going to give you that youthful, beautiful glow. You have to feed your skin the right nutrients, and plenty of them, to get great skin. So the fruit and vegetables that I've chosen today specifically target the skin. We're going to use an apple, tomato, 3 to 4 florets of broccoli, around about 6 carrots, and a lovely cup of blueberries. Keep the skin on the apples and the tomatoes. Now, the apple contains vitamin C, A and K, to name a few, and these vitamins really target the skin and make beautiful skin. The blueberries also contain vitamin C and K, and vitamin K can improve the elasticity of the skin. And in addition to that, vitamin K has been proven to improve the look of wounds, scars, bruises and dark circles around the eyes. So we definitely want to include some blueberries because they really do have some magical qualities. Then the broccoli can actually help regenerate your skin. So it's great for sun damaged skin. So I definitely need to take it for that. I'm 57, so in the 70s I was just sunbathing with olive oil and no sun protection whatsoever. I do use my SPF 50 now, but there's still plenty of sun damage that I need to correct. So broccoli is great for that. Our carrots, of course, so important. They're really high in beta carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Now, it helps regenerate skin tissue and is particularly known for giving skin that healthy glow. It literally can give your skin a glow. All the very best skin creams contain vitamin A. Now, I'm sure you've heard of retinoids. They're in every good skin cream, but retinoids are vitamin A. So just think about it. If skin cream experts say that vitamin A is so important, then doesn't it make much more sense to get the vitamin A on the inside? We know that these creams can only penetrate maybe 1 or 2 layers. There are many layers in the skin, and if you're taking the vitamin A on the inside, then the vitamins are actually generating new skin and protecting you from sun damage and forming new skin cells all the time. Creams can only do a little bit on the surface. They can't penetrate all the layers. So feed your skin the vital nutrients on the inside and it will show on the outside. Then last but by no means least, we've got our beautiful tomatoes. Now, tomatoes contain lycopene. Now, lycopene helps protect our skin with its strong antioxidant properties, and these can fight cell damage. A good intake of lycopene leads to more of it being concentrated on the skin cells, which can prevent oxidation. So it's a great antioxidant, in other words. So here's one I made earlier. Might not look very appetizing, but it's actually delicious. It really is. And I don't make my juices to be delicious. A lot of people say, oh, what's the exact ingredients? Because they're so worried about how it's going to taste. I mean, all right, if you're making it for other people, but if I was really making a juice purely for taste, it would probably just be mangoes and strawberries and pineapple. But you would actually think that that was all fruit. It's absolutely delicious. And if you want to use it as a weight loss tool, but you don't want to get hungry, just put a protein powder in with it. The protein will fill you up, and then you're getting all the nutrients that you need from the fruit and veg. So it really can be a great weight loss tool as well. If I use it as a meal replacement, then I just put a protein powder, scoop of protein powder in it, and I'm not hungry at all. It works brilliantly. So that's all for today. I do hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions at all, do put them in the comments box and I will definitely get back to you. If you know anybody who you think would benefit from the video, do share it, pass it on to them. And if you would like notifications of when the next video is coming out, just ring the little bell and don't forget to subscribe. So I'm Nuala Black, this is Foxy at 50. Stay safe, happy, healthy and well. Bye bye.